Before you begin, remove the main service door, keyboard, drive service door, and top cover. Removal. Place the top cover upside down. Lift the locking bar up on the touchpad ZIF connector and disconnect the touchpad ribbon cable. Peel off the touchpad ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the top cover. Remove the 6 P1 Phillips broadhead screws. Peel off the retention tape that adheres the touchpad to the top cover. Lift the touchpad off the top cover and remove. Replacement. Place the touchpad into position in the top cover. Press down on the retention tape to adhere the touchpad to the top cover. Replace the 6 P1 Phillips broadhead screws. Press down on the touchpad ribbon cable to secure it to the adhesive on the top cover. Insert the touchpad ribbon cable into the touchpad ZIF connector and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place.